Right guys, welcome back. Day 24 on my dropshipping journey. Now, hopefully we can get these ads up and running in this video, which I'm optimistic about. And yeah, let's just see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Right, let's start with that. So far. Try your best straight. Right, so we know that we've connected our pixel. We know that the ads account is set up like yesterday, and today it is really hot, which, as you well know, the UK weather goes from one extreme to the other. So I need to set up my pixel because I need to run my ads. So this would be good. I don't know what's what. Like, feet are so itchy. Got athlete's foot. Fucking painful itches. Right, so there's no data connected. I might have to create a discount for like 100% discount, like just temporarily though, because I could go through with a purchase and just let Facebook know that obviously purchase, like when people purchase it, the pixel picks it up, stuff like that. So hopefully this does work, which in this video I think we'll get it done in this video. Yeah, easy. And then tomorrow we could obviously let the ads run, learn a bit more on how to create a good website. I feel like I still need to improve on my website, stuff like that. So yeah, let's get cracking then. Right, have a little drink on that. Let's do this. Right. Okay, create a business Facebook page. There we are. I don't need that because I've got that one. Okay. I don't need this one either because right, continue setup. Right, okay, because we have it here as well. Events manager. Right, we can get rid of one. Okay. Right, go to Shopify. Before you go to us, download Instagram. Yep, of course it is. Download Meta, which I've done it for the 50,000th time. And I'm still, if you guys like, obviously, I'm still like warming the account up. So so yeah. Right, here we go. 990. Oh, what's happened there? Oh, okay. 990. So the pixel ends in 990. Why is it doing that then? 019. Yeah, guessing this is right. 990. Do 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 do. 1 ad account, 1 megapixel. Right, okay. Right, just wait for this to set up. Right, I don't know why. I don't know why it's doing that then. Right, product. There's nothing wrong with it. Oh. Has issues. Editing admin. What do you mean has issues? I don't know what it's all about. Right, I don't think, yeah, that's nothing to do with running ads. Right, okay. So I'm guessing that this is all, it's all done. It's all finalised. Shot requires action. Right, yeah, I can still. Yeah, exactly. So, right, let's just get these ads up and running. I don't know why it's doing that. Instagram account. Why is it saying that? Your ad won't run on Instagram because you're selected Instagram account. Oh god. Wow. This is painful, but this is part of the process. So, right, create profile. Got another profile picture. Oh my, so what? Right, profile. Right, okay. Profile picture. But they just wanted me to add this profile picture because it helps them with like clarity and stuff like that. So they again know that I'm not a robot when running this account. Let's go back. Let's refresh the page and hopefully that should have gone through. Yes, yes. Come on. Right. Okay. That's done. How is it not active? Oh my god. don't get this. Right, let's refresh. Open. Missing description. Editing admin. Alright, just make a description. Right, okay. Right, let's just copy that into there. Well, of course ain't working. Copy. Where the fuck is paste? I'm in blind. Bruv. Get this. I don't get this. Let's see if it does a short one. Maybe it's too long. Maybe it's too long. Let's just go there. Bruv. What? Maybe they don't like. Maybe they don't like. How many emojis? I don't know. No, of course they don't. Foundation. Let's just generate it. Be quicker than it. Keep that though. Save. Right, let's see if it shut its mouth. Shut it, please. Shut it, please. Shut it, please. Oh my god, this is so long. Yes, I've already edited it. Beauty, healthcare. it does affect your health, this product, I think. Or it helps. Like, it stops, obviously, spots from it stops acne and stuff like that, so just wait for this to load. Why is it not working on another thing that's not working? What's happening? Why isn't it working? Come on. Yes! Right, it's been approved. It's been approved. Right, okay. Bosh. Boshi. Right, okay. Go Shopify. Of course it is. Why has it been disabled? Updates. Right, let's just refresh, see if it keeps saying it. Why? I can't get fucking past it. I cannot get past it. already seen that one. Boring. On WordPress. Yes.
Are you a full stack marketer spending all day switching between platforms? Now with SEMrush Toolkits, no more running from.
And we'll click connect.
Being a weirdo.
This is where it talks about the type of data that
Weirdo.
we're going to send through to Facebook. Now, this is
I've watched this video about 10 times. Gotta watch it again because I don't know how to set up my pixel.
completely up to you. Basically, we can send the least amount of data or the most amount of data. Now, obviously,
Yeah, I've already done this. I have already done this.
and we're going to be presented with this screen here. So let's just click get started. I'm going to connect our Facebook account. Now, this Facebook account should be the one that is connected to your business account. So we'll go back here and we're going to choose our Facebook page. Now, I've actually got two here because they're tests. I'm going to choose this one here, EcoHut, and we'll click connect. This is where it talks about the type of data that we're going to send through to Facebook. Now, this is completely up to you. Basically, we can send the least amount of data, create a pixel. I've got a couple of pixels here, as they're all tests, but what we want to do is click create meta pixel. So we're going to click.
Right, okay. So. Go to Events Manager. I've been to 10,000 times. Yep. Continue pixel setup. So, oh no, don't do that. I'll follow that. I really don't get this. It says shop on Facebook disabled. Business email box. Oh, mate.
And
Let's see if this works. Oh, my laptop is so hot. Like, red hot. Oh, crap. Let's just, hold up. Let's just, go to inbox. Put this code in. Wherever you may be. Oh, man. Confirm. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Next. Next. I'm going to cut this out. Right, this should be verified. It should be approved. This should be verified. Yes. Come on, my G. Come on, my G. Come on, my G. Right. Okay. It's very good. It's very good. Right. I can get rid of that corner. What I want. Okay. Okay, Jose. Okay, Jose. Okay, Jose. Right, we've got a shop set up. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's see. Oh my god. I don't think we've done it before. Let's see. Wow.
If you're using Facebook ads and Instagram ads to send people to your website or landing pages, you have to have the Facebook pixel set up properly. Without it, your campaigns are guaranteed to fail. And in this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to get the Facebook pixel set up the right way. So before I walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up the Facebook pixel, or the meta pixel as we should now call it, I'm going to quickly explain what the pixel actually is and what it does. So it's effectively a piece of code that you put on your website or landing page that allows you to track what people do after they click on your Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and come through to your website. Do they actually go ahead and purchase? Do they actually go ahead and become a lead? And that's really, really important. Firstly, because it allows you as an advertiser to assess the overall success of your campaigns, to assess the return on investment. We've spent this much money, we've generated this much in sales, or these many leads. Is that good for our business? Can we scale? Should we not? Should we stop advertising? All those really important questions you can answer with the data that you get from the pixel. You're also able to do that at a granular level as well. So you could assess different ads. For example, ad A might produce a better cost per conversion than ad B. Therefore, you want to scale ad A, you want to turn off ad B, etc., etc. But it also allows Meta to optimize your campaigns as well. And Meta's machine learning process is very, very powerful. When you set up a campaign, you select a campaign objective, you select a performance goal, and you effectively say to Meta, look, this is what I want. This is what I want the campaign to get me. I want it to get me purchases. I want it to get me leads. If the pixel isn't installed, then Meta can't, they don't know what a purchase or what a lead actually looks like. They need that data to be able to assess, this is what it looks like, therefore we can get more of those. And they can use all the various data points that they have. How many ad impressions was required for this person to go ahead and purchase? What time of day did they purchase? Is this person 42 or 38 or 26? All those little data points they can use to improve the campaign. So do not underestimate the importance of getting the pixel installed and set up properly. Without it, your campaigns are just not going to do anywhere near as well as they could do with it installed. And it's actually relatively quick and easy to set up when you know how. So I'm going to show you exactly how we go ahead and do that right now. So I'm in an example Facebook ad account. I'm in Ads Manager. And to set up the pixel, I want you to first go ahead and click on these three little line, All Tools, and then we want to go to Events Manager. So it may well be up here in your shortcuts like it is for me, or it could be down in this Manage Business section. But either way, you want to click on Events Manager and then come through to that section. That's where we can set up the pixel. Now, as my screen loads, what you're about to see might be a bit different from what you can see on my screen, because if you don't already have a pixel set up, you're going to see different stuff. We've got a pixel set up because this is an example ad account. We use it for demonstration purposes. So don't worry if what you see is a little bit different as we go through this, this whole process. Once you get here, I want you to go ahead and click on Data Sources, okay? Now, there's a good chance that you may already have a pixel set up. If you do, you'll see something that looks a little bit similar to this, perhaps without the data, if you haven't actually got it installed on your website and generating information. But what I want you to do at this stage, if you have a pixel set up, is find the pixel ID. So on this page, we've got it here in Dataset ID. We've also got it underneath the name of the pixel over here on the left. So if you do have a pixel, whether or not you've got data in this middle section or not, just go ahead and copy that ID for now. If you don't have a pixel set up in here, just go ahead and click on this green Create button, and then you'll see that there's an option to create another pixel. I'm not going to do that now because we don't need another pixel for this example ad account.
Right, okay. I'm sort of getting just a bit right here. Data sources. Business settings. Account asset groups. Accounts. Pixels. Right, okay. View database.
We've already got one, but it's very straightforward to actually get the pixel created if you don't already have one. Meta will just ask you for a bit of information about your business, simple stuff, supply that, follow through the process, you'll get a pixel and you'll get a pixel ID, which is what we need. Now, to demonstrate this initially, I'm going to show you how to set this up on a WordPress website. I know that lots of people watching my content will be using WordPress websites. A lot of people will be using other types of websites, and I'm going to talk about those in a minute. So we'll start with WordPress, and then we will move on, because the setup is different depending on the type of website that you have. Okay, so if you do have a WordPress website, go ahead and log into the admin dashboard, and then go to plugins like I am here, and then we need to add in a new plugin. I'm an example website, by the way, here to demonstrate this, and we have that for demonstration purposes, all sorts of warnings. Don't worry about those, because we don't
Fiverr, you can find top-rated web developers to build your business dream website, or you could try to become a web developer yourself. Start by learning HTML.
Keep it super up to date. What I want you to do is just go ahead and add it. Go Meta Pixel for WordPress. So just go ahead and click on Install Now. And set URL. Okay, so that should open up another tab in your browser and take you through to the page that you entered in the specific URL for. Now, this is just a 404 error because it's not a real page that I've used. I'm just using this for demonstration purposes. You can see. Then once you've got that set up, you can come back here into Events Manager and check that it's actually set up properly and the data is being received. So for example, this is an example ad account, as we've already discussed, an example pixel. We can see that the page view is nice and active. There's been 175 of those page views.
Right, so dataset ID is 935, and then my pixel dataset ID. How to check? My Shopify store. Oh shit.
If you have a website and you are not using pixels to track what is happening on your website when you run ads, you are doing it wrong. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track everything that is happening on your website. People who click a certain link, people who purchase from you, people who get to your website, a lot of activities that you'll be able to track from this video that I'm going to be showing you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Business NG, and we talk about Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and how you can leverage these platforms to grow your sales, grow your business, and eventually improve your visibility as well. Let's get straight into my laptop where I'm going to be showing you how this works. All right, guys, so let's pause, get straight into creating a pixel for your website. Very simple. So I'm going to go to my business settings. You know these business settings already. To get there, you can just come here to your Meta Ads Manager, your business suite, and then you come down here that says settings. Right, just here. And then it will take you to this page. Then all you have to do is to come to data sources. Look for data sets, right? Before it was pixels, but now it's data sets. So you look for data sets, and then you click on the ad here, and then you create a new data set. I've already done this. So you can just type the name and create a new data set. Once you've done that, click on the data set and then click on this three dots here to the right side, and then click on Open in Events Manager. So once you click on Open Events Manager, it should bring you to this page. Now, once you get to this page, what we want to do is to set up Meta Pixel to this page. Open in Events Manager. So once you click click on Open Event Manager. It should bring not page. Now, once you get to this page, what we want to do is to set up MetaPixel, not Conversions API. We can talk about that. Yeah, but MetaPixel is what we need. So I'm going to click on Set up MetaPixel, and then I'm going to use Install Code manually. So I'm going to click on Install Code manually, and then I get to copy the code here. Now, you can see what they say. The MetaPixel has two parts, the base code and the event code. So we copy the code and then paste the code into the bottom of the header section of your website. So let's do that. All right, so we go to the settings of the backend, the WordPress backend, if you remember that. Okay, so then you go to settings and then meta. So of course you must have installed the plugin already. If you've installed the plugin already, you activate the plugin. Right? Let me just go back there to show you. So let's go to install plugin.
In business, you only get one chance to make a great first impression.
So just to show you, so this is the plugin. Come down here. It is called MetaPixel for WordPress. Then you see here is deactivatable. If you have not activated it, you see it's activate. So continue as OBM Jane. Then next, right ad account. But let's open it in Ad Manager to just confirm if that's the right ad account. These things are very important. So please don't miss these things. Very, very important. Okay. So let's go to the campaigns. I just want to check if this is the right ad account. That my client has been using. Yeah, it seems like it. Yeah, this is the right ad account. So we'll go back to the page that we were on before, right here. Okay, so it is the right ad account. So we just click next, right? So that is the ad account. Now the pixel, what pixel is it? The pixel we just created is new opportunities pixel. If you remember when we created, so we click next here. You must choose the right things. Then once you're done, click on continue. You can confirm everything now. Advanced, automatic advanced matching. You might not want to turn that on. It's just to match website visitors to people on Facebook. Okay, it might make sense. So let's just do that and click continue. Okay, so what WordPress allows and all that, managed, click next, just all these permissions that you need to give. So once the account is linked, we should not have any problem with this. So let's ensure that we're on the right page here. Okay. Okay, so you can see that it is linked. Now it says you are all set. Now that you're connected, blah blah blah. So you're all set. So just click done. Okay, so once we click done, it should automatically go back to this page. Can you see? So once it is connected, this page should tell us, now it's saying connection pending. Yeah, I can see trust this site, blah, blah, blah. I agree to share my.
Like, what website is going on? Like, I've never done that to create a pixel. I've done it before. But I suppose I've never made a sale. Because my pixel wasn't set up properly. Oh, it's all so confusing, isn't it? Does anyone else find this confusing? So confusing. Oh my god. So... felt like we haven't really achieved anything today, but just knackered from work. We're going for a long time though. We're going for a long time. 49 minutes. My computer's so hot, like. Guys, I might end the video here. I'm gonna redo some more research on this. Do some more research on this, and then see what other way I can go around this on this metapixel. And yeah, sorry about this. It's been a bit of a boring video. Haven't really achieved much, but we're gonna get days like this. This will be the end of day 24. Hope you did enjoy. And I will see you. We created our shop, and we've got everything approved. Now, hopefully, this side of things, we've achieved something. We've achieved something. Create shop, check shop info, done. Sync products, done. Start selling, done. We're all ready to start selling. It's just this bloody pixel won't connect. I don't know how to connect it. It's been a nightmare. So data set is received 935. View events. Right, so if I go here and I go online store, I go view. Oh, it's already here. Let's just add it. I go shop, checkout. Should have tracked total events. Come on. Right, last received 7 hours ago. Alright, so something's got to be working. Manage event. Something has got to be working. But it won't let me on the other hand. 935. Okay. What the fuck? What is this? I don't get this. Cool. I've already added payment info, but okay. Where's fucking... What is that? Oh, right, here we go. Where's English sterling? Where the fuck's sterling then? They have every single other currency other than... Wait a minute. This don't make sense. London. Bro, I don't get this. Don't worry guys, I will blot that out. So, yeah. Add this. Get this bloody thing set up. Not even loading. Not even loading. Ad account ID. Right guys, I'm going to end the video there. I know it's been a bit boring, but hopefully this ad account hasn't got banned like you've just seen. So yeah, I'm basically going to edit this video, go to bed, and new day, fresh day tomorrow, fresh head as well. So yeah, I'll leave you guys to it. Hope you did enjoy. Hope you got some value out of this. And it's only day 24. I'll see you on day 25.